Wetland Hydroponics NFT System Review. Wetland Hydroponics NFT system with 108 holes kits vertical hydroponics PVC pipe plant vegetable. Being close to nature, you can purify the air and make full use of space to keep the crops out of the soil. We have timeable circulatory system. The default setting of the timer allows the pump to work for 5 minutes every 30 minutes to achieve NFT. Not only make the pump more durable and save nutrient solution, but also make the vegetables grow better. Only need nutrient solution, no odor, very clean. It is easy to take care of, no arable land, clear weeds, save time and effort. We use 2.5 6.3 centimeters, large diameter tube, enough to grow most of the vegetables. We teach hydroponic cultivation for beginners and enthusiasts to learn. It's very simple. Please follow link in the description to get best price today.